In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change your YouTube channel password. You can simply change the password of your YouTube channel in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Google account. Then tap on these three lines right here. You will have to scroll down onto the settings option. Tap on the first option and select your info, privacy, and security. On this page, head into your personal info right here. You will have to scroll down onto the option of password. You will have to enter your preferred password right here. And then re-enter it again to confirm. Since your YouTube channel is connected to your Google account, your YouTube channel password is the same as your Google account password. By changing your Google account password, your YouTube password too will get changed successfully. That's how easy it is to change your YouTube channel password. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.